Today we're upgrading our old bathroom exhaust fan to an RGB exhaust fan from Lumary, and this fan light combo comes shipped to your door, ready to upgrade your bathroom as well. Inside the box, you have a user manual, a mounting template, a remote and mounting bracket, AAA batteries not included, hardware, the exhaust fan, and then the RGB light. That's everything. And after getting everything installed, I was pretty impressed. It looks sleek and barely sticks out from the ceiling. The main light is quite bright, and the RGB lights look pretty cool in my opinion. The fan is pretty quiet too. Our old one could be heard throughout the house. This one is more subtle. A little higher pitch than I'm used to, but I like it. It definitely works well. You can use the remote to easily adjust your light and fan settings, but I already lost it, so I just used the app instead. This allows you to fully customize it. You can pick the color temperature of your main light, or customize the RGB. You can set your own color preferences, or cycle through the pre-made ones. There's so many options to choose from. There's even a music sync option that I like. Then you can turn on and off your fan, as well as control the beep. Whenever I take a shower, I shut off the lights and listen to some meditation music and plan out my day. And I've gotta say, showering with this background light is really relaxing. I just love the way it looks. So if you have an outdated bathroom fan that needs replaced too, this one from Lumary might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go take a shower and enjoy the fun light. See ya.